Okay, we're on our way. On our way to fill the bird feeder. Here we go. Look at that. All right. Okay. I did say that we should probably clean up the bird feeder, but I think for now I'm just gonna leave it because they just keep getting it dirty, you know? So next time. Now we're gonna fill it. It's so sunny out. I can't tell if the video is even being picked up in a way that you can see. Here we go. La da dee da. This is the bird tree. La da dee da. And what do you think about that, Han? Huh? Yeah. Woohoo, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.